Today I'm going to discuss this question which was asked in NEET 2024, an interesting question. Uh, so this is in units and dimensions chapter. So this type of questions are important. Like this topic is very important, like units and dimensions. It forms a basis for everything in the physics class 11 and 12. So this is a second chapter or maybe first chapter also in class 11. So I'm going to start here. Firstly, you know that the sum of the units are units of force is nothing but let me derive it like everyone try to remember, but I don't like that. Force is mass into acceleration. So units are for mass it is kg, and for acceleration it is meter per second square, right? Meter per second square. So these are the units. So if I take again, uh, so these are the units, and then uh, let me write it for simplicity. I don't want to use that MLT notation, mass length time MLT notation. I will continue to use this kind of notation here, like kg meter per second square. So simple. I don't want to complicate it. So this is how I'm going to proceed now. And then you have to know the simple rules, as you know that the force is sum of two quantities from the expression alpha t square and beta t. So to add the two quantities, it should be of they should be of same dimensions. So if so same dimensions, so if they are same dimensions, and then they should be of the same dimensions as force, right? So they should be of the same dimensions as force, because they should be of same dimensions. If they are same dimensions, then F is equal to alpha t square plus beta t. So these two are same dimensions, and that are dimensions are equal to the force, equal to that of force. So let me take for example start with the simple one. Beta t uh, is equal to kg meter by second square. So now this I can replace this kg meter per second square is equal to beta. They are given beta are constant, so that means that they will. One more thing is that you have to remember is some people get confused. That is constant means there is no unit. No, there are many constant like Planck's constant or speed of light or any constant. There will be some unit for the constant. There may be constant without any units as well. So like there are some constants which have units and which are dimensionless, which have dimension. So I assume that alpha and beta are constants which have some units. So that is how you have to proceed. You should not assume that there is no unit. You should alpha and beta are unitless constants. So they have mentioned uh, that alpha and beta are constant just to confuse you. So don't need to get confused here. So beta is some x. Let me take some x units into time. That is time is seconds, right? So what is x here? Now if I simplify this expression, I'll get x units of x. Let me keep it as beta itself to avoid the confusion. The units of beta is equal to if I take this to left hand side denominator, then it will become kg meter per second cube, right? So this is a unit of beta. So now similarly alpha t square is also having the same dimensions as force. So kg e meter second square, which is equal to, again I will write alpha into t square, that is second square. So now if I take this to denominator, my unit goes as that means that let me write it here. Okay, 1 second. So that implies, sorry, alpha is equal to, units of alpha is equal to uh, kg into meter divided by second power 4, right? Now we got this, and then we have to check the options which are the unitless quantities here. So now for simplicity, let me keep it like this: alpha beta, what is the, firstly we have to find the ratio, right? We have to find the ratios of the first option. Let me check the first option. As you know that to cancel this, we, for example, let me take a simple example here. So if alpha is there and beta is there, so how you will get the dimensionless? That is, all these quantities should get cancelled with each other. So it should be coming like this. The unit of dimensionless quantity is 1, like no unit. It should be, if all will get cancelled. So there will be no units. It should be all 0, power 0, 0, 0. These are the, it should be the thing for dimensionless quantity. So how we are going to do this? So the best option is checking. So alpha, let me use some brain here first. Alpha into beta. Alpha into beta, numerator multiplied by numerator, denominator multiplied by denominator. It is not going to be the solution. You cannot get cancelled. So alpha into beta terms are eliminated straight away. They will not give dimensionless quantities. So don't need to multiply and check. So now, again now, third and fourth option. Let me take which, now let me check here, alpha or beta. So now beta into t. What is beta into t? Beta into t is nothing but, here it is kg meter per second square. Okay, then if I divide this by alpha, you know that there is s power 4 in the denominator and s squared. So this is not going to match. Again, this is not going to be dimensionless. So the only remaining option is alpha t into beta. This is the right option. And why? So what is alpha t? So you know that alpha t square is alpha into t. If I multiply alpha into t, let me do this. Alpha into t is equal to, no, I should not put the brackets there. 1 minute. Let me rub it out. This is not the dimension, this is the quantity. So alpha t is equal to, again here also, alpha t is equal to kg meter per second cube into second, right, into t. So this gets cancelled, s power 3 will come. So now you can see that alpha t is kg meter s cube and beta is kg meter by s cube. So now if I divide this alpha t by beta, I will get 1. Everything will get cancelled. Everything is going to get cancelled. This one is gone and this one is gone. So the unit is going to be something, no unit at all. So it is power, some expression power 0. Let me take. So like this. So this is alpha t by beta is a dimensionless quantity. So this is how you can do it. Like you can put mlt and beta alpha and do this, but I think this is a best method to do. This is the best way to save the time. Directly write the units and cancel rather than writing mlt. We know that mass kg, we can write this mlt, but for simplicity, this is, I think, is a better way to do. So I will continue with more such questions. One more thing I am pointing out is I am taking the questions which are from the topics which are very important, because these kind of questions and these kind of topics are continuously repeated in even the previous year's questions, not only this year. So I am choosing the questions such that those kind of topics which are very very frequently asked almost in every exam. So you have to be very thorough with those topics which from which I am discussing the questions. Thank you.